What's up everyone, so today I got my hands on my third Oculus Rift sensor, or Oculus Sensor as it's called. I was standing up here and it came with a 16.5 feet USB 2.0 cable, which is going around up there. It's going to be set up differently in this video as well, and I'm also relocating my two sensors, the sensors that came with the Oculus, and that was the one there, and the other one is right here on the wall hanging. And then I got my hands on some used monitor mounts for the wall, which I'm gonna be wrapping in white, and I already did that on this one. Gonna do the same to this one instead of painting it. And then I'm gonna drill those two to the wall. One of them is gonna be probably set up here, and I'm gonna figure out a way to tie the cable up to the wall and make it look good and probably invisible, because I'm gonna be using that less than hanging the wire up all the way over. Gonna be doing the same thing to the two other sensors and that one as well, so the cable is not dingling or winkling at the spot that they're doing right now. So hope you guys gonna enjoy this video, and see you guys at the end of the video, and hopefully everything is gonna turn out as awesome as I want it to be turning out. For now, with the cable hanging there, I'm probably gonna just let it hang there, since it's gonna give me enough clearances moving around the room. So that's gonna be how it is right now. Probably gonna come up with a different solution in the future, but for now that's just how it's gonna be. So anywho, let's get to it, and hopefully everything goes right? So everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed the part where I set up the sensors and all that. I know it looks like they're too far apart, since the recommended area with the sensors is recommended to be around 2 meters, or in under 2 meters, which is around 6.5 feet, and I was reading on some of the forums on Oculus that you can easily bypass it and set them a little further apart, like up to roughly 4 meters, I guess it was. And those two sensors right now are around 3.30 centimeters apart, which is roughly around 11 feet. I measured that out. I need to remember those. And that was the other one. And here we go with the 4 meters, which is the other sensor is down here. And also there was something about light going directly into the sensor could cause some distraction or distortion. And I still need to figure out a way to mount that as well as the way I did with other brackets. There was just some brackets I had laying around in the workshop. And that cable is also mounted up on the list as good as possible. Probably gonna come up with a better solution so I can get a little higher up so it's not that visible. But this sensor over here to the other sensor, that was roughly around 4 meters, and that is 13 point something out there, right? And I also double checked on Oculus software of the sensors was in the good amount of rotation. So the only thing I have to do now is pretty much set up the Guardian. So let's do that and see how well it works. Okay, so pretty much one of the reasons why I made this curve down here, as you can see while I'm looking at the Guardian grid itself, is pretty much because my fan I have right over here somewhere. I don't want to put my hand too far through the guitar or the Guardian itself. It's pretty much only because of that fan over there, and I need to figure out another replacement for it so I can get that extra little square space. So when I'm moving fast around playing games like Dead and Berry, and also games like Onward or Echo Arena or something like that, which is going to give me a really hefty workout. So yeah, that's pretty much what I had for now, guys. So let me see, there we go. So anyhow, this is what I have for now. Give a thumbs up if you like the video, and hit the follow to that subscribe, and also hit the bell as well to stay tuned for upcoming videos. So anyhow, this is what I have for now, and I will see you guys in the next one. And I'm gonna enjoy my game. I just need to go over here with my little fine disc, take my laser gun, and try to see if I can hit some good targets. There we go. So as I told you guys, thanks for watching. And I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, one. Just want to give you guys a quick update since I found some brackets or mounts which you use for cameras and so on, which in this way I can mount my camera sensors way more down than I could before. And here's the other one as well, which I found in my camera gear case. And here we have a Yubi or Jobby, I hope you said that correctly, which I mounted up here on the other one so I can point it more towards down the floor and so on. Just want to give you guys this update, and have a good day and a good night, and depending on the time zone and so on. So take care everyone, and see you guys in the next one.